dirty back alley to the top of the scratch post. Rap cat dirty and he doing his thing. From a smelly garbage can to the top of the food chain.
Rap cat, let me touch